If your Ring Doorbell chime is flashing blue, it could indicate several things, such as setup issues or charging of the internal battery. Follow this step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Firstly, check if the device is charging. A flashing blue light often means that the Ring Doorbell's internal battery is charging, especially for the Ring Doorbell Pro 2 model, which has a small battery even though it's wired. Wait for the battery to charge fully. The blue light should stop flashing once the charging process is complete. If the light continues to flash for an extended period, proceed to the next steps to rule out setup issues. Step 2. Hold the setup button. Unplug the Ring chime. Replug and hold the button. While plugging the device back in, press and hold the setup button on the chime for about 15 seconds. Watch the light. The blue light should eventually turn to a different color, usually green, indicating the chime is entering setup mode. If it continues to flash blue, retry this step. Step 3. Ensure power supply is adequate. Check the transformer's voltage. Ensure that the transformer is providing sufficient voltage. Ring doorbells typically require between 16 to 24 volt AC. Replace the transformer. If the transformer isn't providing enough power, you may need to replace it with one that meets the required voltage for your device. Step 4. Verify compatibility of devices. Check model compatibility. Ensure that your Ring chime and doorbell models are compatible. Refer to Ring's official documentation for details on which devices work together. Review manufacturer guidelines. Verify all installation and setup steps according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 5. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Ensure phone is on 2.4 GHz network. Before starting the setup process, check that your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network rather than a 5 GHz one. By following this step-by-step guide, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the flashing blue light issue on your Ring Doorbell chime.